Look, the sun is going down. The sky is getting dark, and the little stars are starting to twinkle. One big, bright moon is rising high up in the sky. It's peeking through the window. Who's that peeking back? It's Mochi, the bunny, all snuggled up in a warm, cozy blanket. Mochi lets out a big, sleepy yawn. Oh, what a long day of hopping and playing it has been. Now, it's time for bed. It's time to get ready for sleep. Good night, Mochi. Let's get you ready for your sweet dreams. First things first, what do we do before bed? That's right, we brush our teeth. Look at Mochi holding his little toothbrush. It has bright green bristles. He puts a little bit of yummy, minty toothpaste on it. Now it's time to brush, 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 up and down and all around. Scrub, scrub, scrub. We have to get all the sugar bugs off from the yummy carrots Mochi ate for dinner. Brush the top teeth. Brush the bottom teeth. Brush the teeth in the back. Mochi is doing such a good job. His teeth are becoming so shiny and clean, a clean mouth makes for happy dreams. Are you brushing with Mochi? Scrub, scrub, scrub. All done. What a bright, sparkly smile. Great job, Mochi. Now that our teeth are all clean, what's next in our bedtime routine? It's time to wash our face. Mochi hops over to the sink. He has a soft, yellow cloth. He dips it in some warm water. Not too hot, not too cold, just right. Now, let's wash. Wash, wash. Gently wipe your nose. Gently wipe your cheeks. Wipe away all the dirt and dust from a fun day of playing outside. Splash, 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 Mochi. Mochi washes his long, floppy ears. He washes his little twitchy nose. He washes his fuzzy, soft chin. Doesn't that feel nice and refreshing? Washing our face helps us feel clean and ready for a good night's rest. They're all clean. March's face is fresh and ready for bed. Good job washing, Mochi. Look at March's closet. What will he wear to bed? He has some very special pajamas. They are a beautiful, soft blue color, just like the evening sky. They have little yellow stars all over them. It's time to put on our pajamas. Mochi takes off his daytime clothes. One leg in, then the other leg in. Pull them up, up, up. Now for the pajama top. One arm through, now the other arm through. Let's button it up. Or maybe it has a zipper. Zip, all the way to the top, cozy. Mochi feels so snug and comfortable in his favorite blue pajamas. They are so soft and warm. He's almost ready to hop into bed. Getting into our pajamas is a special signal to our body that the day is over and it's time to rest. You look wonderful, Mochi. The room is quiet now. The moon is shining brightly through the window. Mochi is all ready for bed. His teeth are brushed, his face is washed, and he is wearing his cozy star pajamas. He hops, hops, hops over to his bed. It looks so inviting with its fluffy pillows and soft blanket. But wait, he's forgotten someone. It's his best friend, his fluffy brown teddy bear. Mochi reaches for his teddy bear and gives him a big, warm hug. A goodnight hug is the best kind of hug. He hugs his bear tight. So comforting and safe. He pulls the covers up to his chin. It's time to say goodnight. Good night, teddy bear. Good night, little stars outside the window. Good night, big, bright moon. Mochi closes his sleepy eyes. He snuggles down deep into his pillow. Good night, Mochi. Sweet dreams. And good night to you, too. Thanks for getting ready for bed with us. Sleep tight.